Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you win. We're gonna do the ice cream first.
Wow!
So, open. Try it. You have to try it.
I don't like this.
Remember why the chocolate is there. Back with the next Popin Cookin. We're going to do donuts.
Wow.
We're doing donuts this time.
There's a bear and I want this donut.
This looks way tastier than the last one.
NANI?!
So, anyways, let's get
Started.
So we're
Open
gonna
it,
open it. Oh,
it.
this is where you open.
What's this side? I want to take it out this time.
Wow.
I want to take it out this time.
Okay, I want to put it here.
I want to
So,
take it out this time.
Here's what it looks like. The front has like a little plate. I want to keep it. And I'm gonna put the donuts here. And then we have the back side.
Let's see the instructions.
Let's cut this.
Can I open it?
The instructions are in Japanese.
It are Japanese.
Okay, so.
It's still the same bag, but there's more flavor.
Wow. Okay. While I'm gonna do this, my sister's gonna cut the plate.
Yeah.
Trace it well.
I'll try.
Meanwhile, while she's doing that, careful.
I have to cut.
Mine includes more packets.
Yeah, I like it.
So here's our frosting packet. I'm so scared. Be careful. Don't hit me. And mine comes with more packets.
It's not breaking.
My spoon is different. That's weird.
You have to do it at these lines. At the black line.
Oh, I need the scissors. I'm gonna cut this.
At that.
All right.
Mommy's gonna help me because there's lines to cut it. Thanks for Mommy. She made us the plate.
Yeah, shout out.
Girl, how will we shout out to her? But she made our channel, and she doesn't have her own channel.
What?
How will we shout out to
That's
her?
not really
Bruh.
how shout outs work, but sure. We're gonna wear gloves for this one because there's a part where you need to mix the dough and it probably won't feel good on our hands. So,
This is so big. Oh my god.
alright. Open up.
Open up, FBI coming through.
Careful.
It's hard in these gloves, but I'll try to be.
Don't put it in there. Okay. Carefully, don't let it go in these two.
So put it in the water.
Yeah. Too slow. Now, time for decoration.
Yeah, decoration time. After you want.
No, not yet.
Okay.
Don't do mine, do yours.
Wait.
Scoop of water.
These keep bleeding. It should be inside.
And then
Ew, I don't like white. Yep. Can you? Give me. I'm gonna do it.
Wyatt.
Try the chocolate. Let me try it. Smells like Nesquik. Tastes so good. Oh my gosh. Is that
check it out.
Daddy?
No, I think that's the PPG.
Okay, cut that out, please. Again.
Tell them wait.
We need to hurry up, okay?
Karen, girl.
Try the chocolate.
Right, you go. Now, I'm gonna put some. Let's get some sprinkles in the house.
So we don't have a house.
Then where do we live? Oh, just kidding, guys. We don't have a house. She's right. We live in a dumpster. And we found this camera.
NANI?!
Yeah, this dumpster is really...
And we found a rich mom. She bought us this thingy-majig.
Wow, it's totally called thingy-majig. You can never go wrong with sprinkles.
Mine looks so good. Oh my gosh. Let's try it.
Alrighty. This shouldn't taste as bad as the last.
Please. You go first. I don't know what it
No,
is.
we're gonna do the same.
Oh my gosh. I feel so weird.
We're gonna do it at the same time.
Oh my god.
Hopefully this will taste better. 3, 2, 1.
Ew, I didn't taste the sprinkle. I don't like it.
It's not as bad as the last one, but
I don't like the
you know
dough.
what? I'm putting my sprinkles.
I don't like the dough. I don't like it. I thought it would be yummier.
It is.
More yummy than the other one. But yeah, the dough I don't like. You added too much. I don't like it. You can have mine.
No.
I don't like
I
it.
found enough sugar for today.
I didn't have any because I don't like none of them. What happened? Wait.
I have powdered sprinkles all over my legs. Anyways, you guys, we're gonna go clean up.
and go out.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And hit that notification bell.
Bye.